Hello my friend, this video I will show you how to upgrade the screen. Just upgrade the screen. And first thing you need to download the file to the USB flash driver. And then you insert it to the USB port behind the screen. This one is the extender cable. Just insert it. Okay. And then we power off the machine. Turn it off. Turn off the machine. Okay, and then we turn it on. And it will show upgrading. Okay, just wait for a while. Just wait and don't turn off the machine. Okay, don't do any other operations. Just wait. Okay, and you can see there's an info upgrade finish. Okay, it's finished. And now we can turn off the machine. Turn off the machine, and then we take off the USB flash driver. Okay, this is necessary. Okay, please take off the USB flash driver. After that, please turn on the machine. Please turn on the machine. Okay, after you upgrade the screen and the language, it will change. And don't worry, we can change back. And we need to access device beacon. And there's a set. This one, the set. This one set. And we go to the next page. We can choose this one, the next page. And we just click save. Okay, and the language will go back. Okay. Thank you.